Fixing failed to connect to the server, please check your network and try again, and Marvel Rivals is really easy to do. First thing you want to do is you want to go over to your browser and actually go over to Wi-Fi speed test like so. Now, it'll bring you to this option like so, where you can simply test your internet speed just by clicking on the start, and you basically, as you can see, mine's pretty average, but depending on your internet speed, you will not be allowed to actually run the game, because Marvel Rivals does require a lot of cellular data, cellular service, so just make sure your connection is strong, and switching networks is always an option, or restarting your computer, or even closing any applications that you're not using at the moment. Now once you've done that, you go to your computer settings and you actually want to type in firewall like so. Click on Windows Firewall or Mac, whatever you're using, and you actually want to turn off the firewall, because the firewall will not allow the game to run. It's like thanks to your game is fishy as if you are using a firewall, so you just want to turn that off so that your game can run super smoothly in just your computer settings. From here, you want to just allow another app now through the firewall, and you actually want to search for this file on your computer. Now this is if you do want to just leave it on, leave your firewall on, still with allowing just this new app called Marvel Rivals we have on our desktop. And once you've added this file, simply like so, and again, make sure your connection is stable, switch networks if you need to. It should allow you to successfully run Marvel Rivals, easy as that.